Today, we're taking you on a tour of a luxury villa that will leave you speechless. This stunning property is unlike anything you've ever seen before. Join me on this exclusive tour as we explore every nook and cranny of this breathtaking villa. From its sleek architecture to its lavish interiors, every detail is a masterpiece. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for a new video every day, where we'll take you on more unforgettable tours of the world's most incredible homes. Stay tuned for more luxury living inspiration.